List as a stack. The list method make it very easy to use list as a stack, where last in first out mechanism is used, that is LIFO. For instance, here I am going to create list with values 3, 4, 5. To add element at the top of the stack, we use append method as we saw in previous videos. Here I am going to push 6 and 7. And to retrieve an item from the top of the stack, we use pop method without any explicit index. As you can see here, I am going to pop 6 and 7. List as queue. It is also possible to use list as a queue, where the first element added is the first element retrieved. However, lists are not efficient for this purpose, while append and pop from the end of the list are faster. To implement queue, we use collections.dequeue, which was designed to have faster append and pops from the both ends. So let's do it. Oops, here I forget it. Let's make it correct. Now it's fine. We can create list using the queue. For instance, here I am going to make queue with values 5, 6, 8. Here we can also use append method for adding element into the queue. Here I am going to add 7 and 4. As you can see, 7 and 4 has been added at the top of the queue. And to pop element, we use pop left method, as you can see here.